Alright, today I picked up a DynaTrap insect trap, and I got this at Sam Club for $89.99. And I guess special packaging, it comes with a 2 extra bonus UV bulb for a full year of operation. Pretty much you can run it non-stop. And the model is DT1250 -2B. So let me unbox it and see what comes in the box. Two bolt. Here's a quick look at the box for you. Can you see it? And all the bug it catches. There we go. Maybe this helps. This is the weight of this. Go on like this. Right. Okay. Let me quickly show you. Very much it's sitting on the pole like so. Alright, here you go. So remove the screwdriver. Once you remove that screw, comes like this. And this is how you dump your bug. It's quite high, about 44 inches high, and this thing is quite heavy. And there's an on and off right here. So you twist it to the right, it's open. Here we go. Let me see if I can bring the camera to you. Let me see. Here's the on and off. So you want to turn off. I do one hand here. I can't do one. Let's do it this way. See, turn off. You can grab the basket. You can quickly release to put it back. They have these grooves. Just make sure you're going up the groove to the right. And that's it. To turn it back on, see? Can you see on to the right? And then there's that powerful fan that gonna suck up the bug. I'm gonna try it. I'll let you know. I'll do an update video so you can see the result.